So, andito tayo sa Solen Residences in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa City, Laguna to check a new foreclosed vacant lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the property. Corner lot siya. Ayan. Total lot area is 188 square meters. So dalawa entrada niya, doon at saka dito sa side na to. And this is around 6.7 million or approximately 36,000 per square meters. So hanggang dito siya. Ayan, katabi niya yung bahay na yan. And then doon. So this is as is where is and available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a showing appointment, please message us directly. So hanggang dyan siya. This is actually a steal sale because if you're going to compare this kind of property or the lot area of this property from the developer's price, nasa 9 million and up na siya. But we are selling this around 6.7 million. So, ang laki ng savings, ang laki ng price difference. Okay? And located po tayo sa Santa Rosa, within Santa Rosa po tayo, or Santa Rosa City po yung address natin. Malapit lang tayo sa Paseo and sa New Valley or Metro New Valley. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. So this is Solen Residences in Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Within Greenfield City siya. Malapit sa Paseo and sa Metro New Valley. Maganda rito. Medyo ano siya, mid-high end ang market. And yan, no, three-lined road, tapos aesthetic yung mga bahay dito. Actually, yung mga bahay dito, ano yan, bibilin mo yung plano niyan sa developer. If I'm not mistaken, nasa 100,000 yan. Bukod pa yun sa gastos mo sa pagpapatayo ng bahay at saka sa pagbili ng lote. Ang maganda lang dito, talagang malapit sa lahat. Katabi lang kasi ito ng Laguna Bel Air eh. Kaya halos malapit ka sa lahat. malls, hospitals, schools. Ayan. Developer nito is Greenfield. Sila rin yung developer ng Pramana and yung Zadia. Sa Manila kanila yung Greenfield District, yung Twin Oaks, Zitan, yung mga condo ron sa may Shaw Boulevard sa Mandaluyong. Yan ang clubhouse nila dito. So maganda dito, may budget kayo. Yan. Pero hindi talaga siya totally high end kasi hindi espalto yung kalsada eh. Yan. So if interesado kayong tumira dito, message me directly